Hi everyone, a project share, and this is a collab with Grace. She's Elegant Delight here on YouTube. You wanted to create something, if you wanted to gift out a happy mail or send someone a prize package, to send something lightweight and still containing some gifts inside. So we developed this together, this beautiful embellishment card, and this is how it looked. So mine is hold close with this elastic band. It has a small half-inch spine, and it's embellished with some flat back pearls, some blingy pearls from my local store. If you open it, it has some beads. Here's just some simple plain beads, and in front you see the beautiful Enjoy die, which is a die from AliExpress. If I won't forget, I'll link the dies, if they're still available, down below in the description box. The dies in the background are dies from my local action store. Banner dies and some flower and layered circle dies. The beautiful girl is also a die from AliExpress. Love these little girls. The paper line is from my local action store, as well as a beautiful glittery paper. You see, as I want to give it a little bit of a Christmassy feeling. So this is how it looks. I don't know if maybe this way you see it better. It is just a card. It fits a flat rate bubble wrap envelope. On the inside, the back topper and the bow is from AliExpress. Yes, I'm an AliExpress shopper. Inside, I will gift some of my hand crocheted flowers in white and red. Let's see if I can push them a bit down. On top, the layered roses, and here we have some of the smaller flowers. In the second layer, fabric flowers. Now the brand new, I just removed the packaging so they could fit in this one, as well as beautiful blingy stickers. We all need some bling in our life. And this is the back of the paper. And this is the inside of the spine. On the other side you see a pocket, and it has a small, the back pocket does have a small gusset allowing it to expand. So in front there's a die, and as Christmas season is arriving, it's two Christmas baubles. In here as well, a small package of flower appliques and butterfly appliques, and in the back a handmade tag with the little girl from AliExpress, and the flowers are dies that came from Cindy's Scrap Shop, as well as the wood veneer pieces are from Cindy's Scrap Shop, and the beautiful gorgeous tag is a Crealise tag that came from Cindy's Scrap Shop. And as you see, the pockets are edged, and these are also both of them Crealise dies that came from Cindy's store. So this is the inside, this is the back, and yay, I finally remembered to use the gorgeous stamp that Phoebe gifted me. She's Phoebe Tonosaki. Just kept it plain and simple. So this is my quick project share. I had fun making it. If I ever make one for a big giveaway, I'd probably add more spine, but I just wanted to create something that could be posted out in a mailing bag. So this is it. Let me know what you think. Not my usual color scheme, but I wanted something more bright and cheerful. Thank you all for watching and commenting. Bye.
Okay, paper.